Beneath the dense jungle canopy of mainland Southeast Asia lie ruins shrouded in mystery-carved stones, swallowed by time, and ancient canals choked with silk.
GenTube AI has just hit the market, and today I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about this groundbreaking AI software. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or just someone curious about the latest AI technology, this review will give you the inside scoop on why GenTube could be the game changer you've been looking for. Stick around till the end, because I'll reveal a surprising feature that could completely change how you approach your marketing. First off, let's talk about how GenTube AI is a full suite solution designed to automate everything from content creation to marketing. It's an AI-powered platform that can analyze your content, predict audience preferences, and even generate optimized videos or ads that can increase your engagement and ROI. Sounds too good to be true? Let me explain how it works in the real world. One of the standout features of GenTube AI is its ability to rapidly create video content with minimal input from you. You just need to provide a topic or a few key points, and the software can generate a fully edited video that's ready to go live. This is a huge time saver for content creators, especially if you're juggling multiple projects. You can focus on your strategy while GenTube handles the repetitive tasks like scripting and editing. Now, if you're into digital marketing, you'll want to pay attention to how the software integrates with your existing marketing tools. GenTube AI comes with built-in analytics that track how your videos perform in real time. It doesn't just generate content, it helps you improve it by providing suggestions for keywords, titles, and even best times to post based on audience behavior. Another important point, GenTube isn't just for YouTube creators or video marketing pros. It can also optimize content for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and even TikTok. So, whether you're working on a paid campaign or looking to grow your organic reach, GenTube's versatility ensures your content is tailored to whatever platform you're using. When you start using GenTube AI, you'll be able to produce high-quality content at scale. This means you can publish more videos. The big question is it worth the price? Here's the great news. GenTube AI offers a 7-day free trial, so you can test out all its features without making a financial commitment. You can experiment, get to know the platform, and decide if it's right for your business or personal use. No strings attached. If you're still on the fence, check out the first link in the description to try it for free. But that's not all. After reviewing thousands of AI tools myself, I've put together a list of my top recommendations for AI software. These are tools that I've personally tested and trust, and you can find the links below. Whether you're